So this way you hit. Cook up chicken and rice in a one. So we call this this.
Thank you.
And we make different meat put funny. So this are like in Jamaica we use chicken back. We fry up chicken back and then cook it down with the rice. But because we do over here we can't get chicken back so much, so we cook up chicken. We fry up chicken and cook down the rice funny with vegetable. So this is chicken Caesar rice. How it tastes?
Tastes so good. It tastes nice. It looks like the kind of food I used to cook before.
Which kind of food you used to cook before? You can't cook this? Yeah, right. So you never cook it, give me.
Remember when I used to skin chicken and bring the bones out?
Oh, you thought that, but you're not cooking a rice like this.
Exactly like this.
You're cooking a rice like this? Is it? So how me never taste it? Or you never make me taste it?
A long time now.
Yeah, right.